All right, so we are giving Dawson a gift today. It's kind of like a belated birthday gift. He loves Michael Meyers. There's Brian in the background, see right there. Wave, Brian. Anyhow, I'm sitting in Dee's truck right now. He is working right across the street, way over there. And I have got my beautiful coveralls on, like Michael Meyers wears. And I'm gonna be sitting here in the truck when he walks up to the truck wearing his new gift. Anyhow, we're gonna see how he reacts. Brian's over there getting ready to video him to catch his reaction. But the biggest thing is not to scare him, of course. It's to give him this awesome gift, because he was telling me how cool this mask was that he saw at Halloween City the other day. Yeah, I just thought it would be awesome to go get it for him and get him an official coverall outfit as well. So anyhow, we'll see what happens. I'm ready. Brian's ready too, he's videoing. All right, we'll see how this goes down. It's gonna be pretty cool.
We've taken over your truck.
Okay, it's kind of hot in here, so I've got this on top of my head, but I figured out how to hide my hair completely. Just wearing collar up. Anyhow, we're on the countdown. Okay, I'm waiting.
So we're stocking out Dawson. I got my Dorset Speed Shop hat on, flat biller, pulled down low. Hopefully that'll make me a little camouflaged so my hair is not sticking out and give it away. But anyway, he should be out any minute, and then I'm gonna videotape him walking up to the truck. All right, later.
What? Bryce said sit still, so I'm sitting still. Dawson, you're gonna love your gift. I'm smiling under here right now. Oh, it's so hot. I'm baking in the sun. Woo! Dad says, suck it up. Oh yeah, it's really hot in here. Feeling claustrophobic. I can't breathe. I'm feeling claustrophobic. You gotta tell me when he's coming. I'm not gonna suffocate to death in here. I'll pull it down as soon as you tell me. I'm a bad prankster, he says. Oh my gosh. This is miserable. I'm sitting right in the sun. Dad keeps saying, quit turning around. Bry's really serious. He's over there like hiding behind this like pole. He's in a good position to watch.
What kind of fuck shit?
You like your costume?
That's pretty cool.
I got it for you.
Nice.
Hello.
We've been
All right.
stalking you out.
Yeah, we have.
How long have you been sitting here? Because it took me a long time to...
We've been in there for like...
Way too
Dude,
long.
it's so hot.
Okay, here he comes. Coming across the street right now. This is gonna be awesome.